Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. It is a slim storage cart. Let's go ahead and get right in this. I did already take everything out of the box and I'm going to start setting it up. I wasn't going to record the setup, but I'm going to do it just for you guys because I got a little bit confused, but I figured it out because there's not a lot of wording. So let me go ahead and scoot you in. Okay, for step one, you're going to take board A, 2 and 3. And you want to make sure that all the things are facing outwards, and you're going to put these little wooden things, I'm going to show you on the next one, together, which I'll show you right now. So this is number 3 and 1, which are the same thing. And you're going to put these little wood things right here. This is number 3, just like so. Do not do it on this side. It's going to be on this side. You're going to see these little things because we're going to screw this together after we're done. And you just push it in like that. So that's step 1. It comes with everything you need to put it together as well. Step 2, you're going to get these. You're going to stick it like that on both sides. And you're going to do that to both of these. And then you're going to get these little bolts right here. Okay, so that's what it should look like once you're done. And now I'm going to go do this to the other one as well. Okay, so now that we have this, you're going to grab these and you're going to start putting the little drawers on, which are number 4s, which are all these. And you're going to screw them on right here, and they should screw in on that side. So let me go ahead and kind of show you. So you're going to want the bars to be facing inwards because you're not going to want to see those. So you're going to line them up. Then you're going to put these long screws in. So starting at the bottom, top, it doesn't matter. And now I'm going to finish doing all of these and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so I'm going to save you a lot of headache. So you put 4 and 4 at the bottom. You'll see where these 2 big holes, make sure that that's at the bottom. And number 5, you're going to put at the very top, and you're going to make sure that the holes are facing downwards like this because those are going to be the wheels to it. So if you do not put it on exactly this way, you're going to have to take it apart and redo it. So that was that step. And now we're going to get 7s, which are all of these. Okay, so we're going to insert the 7s with these things right here. It's going to be pretty easy. You just put it like this. Place it on just like that, and you're going to do that front and back, same thing, all these little things. Then after that, you're going to get the last piece. Make sure that these bottom things are facing the same way that these big old holes are. So big old holes with big old holes. And now it's time to line everything up. So I'm just going to use it like this to make sure it's lined up like that. Okay, and now you're just going to get those long screws again, and you're going to start screwing in these wooden boards, same as you did before. Okay, so now you're going to put on the feet, and as you can see, the feet are at the bottom. They're on that black one that has the holes, and you're just going to put them on like that with these little screws, and you're just going to continue to do this on each one. Okay, so that's what it should look like once you're done with that. Now we're going to flip it this way. And then we are going to put the top on. I'm going to screw these things right here. And then this is going to go in the middle to help support that. And then you're just going to put 4 of these on these little in holes. Okay, now that's what you should have. And then you're going to put this over this, and then you're going to take these little pieces and these holes that are right here. That's what's going to seal this. So you're going to put them in, and then you're just going to tighten it up with this. And then once you're done with that, you're going to put on the handle. It only comes with 1 handle because it's whatever side you're pulling it out with, because you didn't want it to have a handle on both sides. Otherwise it wouldn't if it was too of a narrow area, you wouldn't be able to fit it all the way. And then you're going to get these brown screws right here, and then that's going to go on this side of it, and you're gonna screw it in. Okay, and that is completely put together. Now let's go ahead and see what it looks like in use. Okay, so my sister is actually one that gave me this idea. She actually uses one of these inside her bathroom, and I was like, you know what? That's a really good idea. So you can see I don't have a lot of room in my bathroom. It's like literally just my cabinet, and then you have the toilet and stuff. But look, if you have stuff in here, you can put your skincare products and stuff and just roll it out like that, and it'll be so much easier to store rather than having everything all jumbled up. I think this is a really great idea to do that if you really don't have space, and then you can just use it like that. But you can actually use this in your kitchen, on the side of a counter or anything. I really don't have a lot of space in my house, so there's not a lot of places that I could use this. This is actually one of the places that I can, so I'm really happy that I got that idea from my sister because I love the idea. Or if you have a bathtub, you could always put like products that you're going to use inside of a bathtub on something like that, and that would work out really great as well. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.